Hello, this is PTS and today we have very fine weather, so I'm going down to wash my motorcycle. So join me as I show you today how to wash a motorcycle. Let's go! These are my cleaning products which I'll be using. Next, I need to find a big red bucket. For today's motorcycle that I'm going to wash will be my Yamaha YZF R3. It's a full fairing bike with huge pieces to wash. So let's get to it. Let's start with the chain. It's always the hardest to clean. First, I'm going to remove the chain guard. Using a paddock stand will be easier. So now that you have the ability to freewheel, I'll now start cleaning my chain. Because it's kerosene, so you might want to put on some gloves. Kerosene spray bottle, but don't spray kerosene directly onto the chain. I will usually spray on the brush. Then scrub. Inspect your sprocket teeth. They are supposed to not look like shark teeth. Once you discover that they look like shark teeth, you might want to consider changing your sprocket. I wanted to remove my front sprocket cover, but I've discovered that one of my screws is too tight and I cannot remove it. This is one of the reasons why you need to wash your motorcycle, to discover problems like this. For my next servicing, I'll probably go to the workshop and ask them to replace this screw. I'm going to leave the kerosene to sit for a while and I'll proceed to wash the main body of the bike. This is my silicone gloves. I use it to scrub my motorcycle. I'm going to show you how I use it.
A few moments later.
Here we clean water and rinse. So now that we have rinsed off the motorcycle, we are going to clean the kerosene off the chain. I'll spray to the cloth and then wipe. One final step. Paper towel, wipe.
Eventually.
Apply the chain loop. If you do it correctly, there shouldn't be any sanding, grinding sound. For radiator, I will use this air conditioning cleaner. So what I do is just spray on. And leave it to sit for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you how to use Harpic 10X to clean exhaust pipe and make it back to silver again. First of all, you pour a little bit of it, silicone gloves with a bit of water, scrub. Scrub into it, and maybe add some more Harpic. Scrub. Some people recommend switching on the engine and let it run until the pipe gets hot.
A few moments later.
Be careful, it's hot, rinse it down with water. And it should be less yellowy. I'll give it one final rinse. Microfiber wipe dry. Rain-X plastic for the headlights. Wipe down. Install. Rain-X glass. Reinstall the chain guard. So now that we have finished cleaning our bike, we can now go out and make it dirty again. Like, share, subscribe, comments down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.